Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we help you take control of your finances and make smarter money moves. If you're looking for the best ways to save money in 2025, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'll be sharing practical, easy to follow saving strategies that will help you grow your savings and secure your financial future. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the strategies, let's talk about why saving money in 2025 is more important than ever. With inflation rates fluctuating, interest rates rising, and the cost of living increasing, having a solid saving strategy is crucial. The financial landscape is changing, and being proactive about your savings will put you ahead of the game. But don't worry, I've got some fantastic tips to help you stay ahead. First up, automation is your best friend. Setting up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account ensures that you're consistently saving without even thinking about it. Many banks and apps allow you to round up your transactions and save the spare change automatically. Use apps like Acorns, Digit, or your bank's automatic transfer feature to make saving effortless. This hands-free approach makes a significant impact over time. A tried and true method is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities like rent, food, and utilities, 30% to discretionary spending like entertainment, and 20% to savings. But here's a pro tip for 2025. Try adjusting that ratio based on your financial goals. If you can, push that savings rate up to 25 to 30% by cutting unnecessary expenses. Trust me, small changes make a big difference over time. Keeping money in a traditional savings account might not be the smartest move anymore. Instead, opt for high-yield savings accounts or money market accounts that offer better interest rates. If you're comfortable with investing, consider low-risk investments like ETFs, index funds, or bonds. These options provide a better return on your money while still keeping your funds relatively safe. Being a smart spender is just as important as saving. Use cashback and reward credit cards to get money back on your purchases. Also, leverage apps like Honey, Rakuten, and Fetch Rewards to save while you shop. Many retailers offer exclusive discounts through these platforms, and little perks like these can add up to hundreds of dollars saved annually. Take a close look at your subscriptions. Do you really need 5 different streaming services? Reducing unused memberships and cutting down on impulse spending can free up a lot of extra cash each month. Unused gym memberships, magazine subscriptions, or even impulse app purchases can add up over time. Eating out frequently can drain your wallet fast. Try meal prepping and cooking at home more often. Not only is it healthier, but it also significantly reduces your monthly food expenses. Plan your meals in advance, create a grocery list, and stick to it. This helps you avoid unnecessary purchases and food waste. One of the best ways to boost your savings is to increase your income. Consider side hustles like freelancing, selling digital products, online tutoring, or even renting out a spare room. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy make it easy to monetize your skills and generate additional income. Extra income means extra savings. If your employer offers a 401k match or an HSA, make sure you're taking full advantage of it. This is essentially free money that can help you build your financial future. If you're not contributing at least up to the employer match, you're leaving money on the table. Check with HR to ensure you're optimizing your benefits. Last but not least, set clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a new home, or retirement, having a tangible goal makes it easier to stay motivated. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track your spending and savings progress. Regularly reviewing your goals ensures you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. So there you have it, the best ways to save money in 2025. Start applying these tips today and watch your savings grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Comment below with your favorite saving strategy or any additional tips you have. Thanks for watching,